Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So before we get started, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about best ways to make passive income. So make sure to watch the full video. 1. Start a dropshipping store. Dropshipping is one of the best passive income ideas to earn money from wherever you are, even if you don't have a lot of cash flow to begin with. Some dropshippers report making upward of $100,000 per year. Dropshipping is not a get-rich-quick scheme, however, as it takes some upfront investment of time in order to generate income. The dropshipping business model involves creating an e-commerce store where customers browse and buy products. What's interesting about dropshipping is that you don't have to see or physically manage the products you sell. With dropshipping, your supplier handles everything from manufacturing to packaging to fulfillment. And since you don't need to send money to your supplier until your customers pay, this passive income business has limited cash risk. Depending on the product you choose and your pricing, you can earn solid passive income. 2. Create a print-on-demand store. Printing on demand can be a profitable passive income stream and monetize your creativity if you're an artist, designer, or entrepreneur. It involves working with suppliers to customize white-label products like t-shirts, posters, backpacks, or books and selling them per order. Similar to dropshipping, you only pay for the product after you sell it. There's no buying in bulk or inventory needed. Print-on-demand stores are a good passive income stream because you can create products quickly and put them up for sale in minutes, and shipping and fulfillment are taken care of by your supplier. 3. Sell handmade goods. There's never been a better time to sell stuff online. With over 4.6 billion people connected to the internet, the opportunity to build and scale an online business is massive. There are hundreds of online sites you can sell on. Some have specific niches, like video games or handcrafted goods, while others let you sell whatever you want. Some popular online selling sites include Amazon, eBay, AliExpress. The upfront investment is twofold. You'll need to invest in materials and time to make and sell DIY goods like pottery or clothing. You'll also want to create an online store to house your products. Selling from your own store reduces the amount of fee you pay on each sale. Plus, you can create a brand for yourself. The benefits of building a brand compound over time as you grow an audience and connect with more customers. It'll help you sell more over time and make money online. 4. Sell stock photos online. Unlike many of the other passive income ideas on this list, photography is a service-based business, which typically means you get paid for your time. You must be at an event or photo shoot to make money with photography, which, even if you're making a killing, can be tiring after a while. However, if you're a full-time photographer or own a good camera, you can generate passive income from photography by selling photos online. Stock photo sites will pay for high-quality photos and videos. There's no inventory to keep around the house besides your camera and laptop. These websites do the marketing for you. So once you load your photos onto the platform, getting your work out there and selling it is done for you. Also, you can also easily tie in digital products like prints or print-on-demand products like shirts and hats, giving you even more passive income streams so you can work less and make more. 5. Become an Instagram influencer. $1 million. That's how much Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson makes per Instagram post. While you may not have chiseled abs or over 200 million social media followers, you can still earn a monthly income on Instagram as an influencer. To become an Instagram influencer, someone who can sway another person's buying decisions, you'll need to build a community of people who enjoy similar topics. Are you a comics fan? You can create an Instagram account and start posting consistently about the latest Marvel and DC shows. The same applies if your interest is in sports, scuba diving, home decor, or even general culture. If you have an engaged audience, you use that engagement to support a variety of passive income ideas. For instance, you can partner with large and small businesses to promote their products to your followers. Or you can make money by selling your own merch. 6. Invest in the stock market. Although the stock market might have a steep learning curve and can be confusing, it's a great way to build lasting wealth. A common mistake most people make with investment funds is thinking short-term instead of playing the long game to reach financial goals. The goal of investing in stocks is to diversify your portfolio and reduce risk. You can do this through investing in mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and high-dividend stocks that earn you income slowly over time. To start investing in the stock market, you need to open up a brokerage account at a quality financial institution and fund it. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.